This is the unboxing of this mattress protector I just bought for my Airbnb. And I was going to open it with my scissors, but as I look around here, I don't see any easy way to open this. It says it's made in China. It's taped shut. So I'm nervous about putting some scissors in here. I'm going to try to pinprick this with a knife right here. Looks like I can do it. I'm concerned I may actually cut the mattress protector. Okay, so I have it. Wow. There's multiple layers in here. Wow. Keeping the blade up so I don't puncture the actual. Wow. And this thing's vacuum packed in here. Uh-oh. I got into a second layer here. Okay. Wow, this thing is hard to open. There. Let's get this sharp object out of the way. So it looks like it comes in, this is a bag. So I'm glad I have some scissors because up here, this looks like right here somewhere, there we go. There's the mattress protector. So I'm gonna cut this open up here a little bit higher. There, I haven't cut the mattress protector yet. There we go. There. See if there's any, yeah, there's still some sticky tape here. But this is hard to get out here. Let's see if I can pull this out. There we go. I got it out. Okay, so this is supposed to go around the side of the mattress. And this is really thin. Really thin. This looks like the nylon side. And this, I guess, is the waterproof side. It's really thin.